Hello everybody. Now we will make another project. It is about amphibians. We will see the amphibian characteristic on this project. Firstly, we are going to cut from the solid line and then we will put and stick them together. So let's cut together. Okay. Cut from the solid line. And then we will stick from the biggest to the smallest paper. So this one is the biggest habitat. Amphibians are born in water and live there as babies. When they are adults, they move to land. So this one is, we will put the next paper on this like this. So this information is about babies. Amphibians lay jelly-covered eggs in water like frogs. After that, we put other information. Appearance. Amphibians have skin that is wet or slimy. And then the top, the smallest paper, amphibians characteristics. So you can see all the information from these small papers. Thank you.